Now I'm on my walk to go to Zululand Cat Conservation, which is a cat rehabilitation center, and I am going to see some cheetahs as well as some other big cats. But cheetahs throughout my entire life have been my favorite animal on earth. I have loved them since I was a little boy, and there are actually no wild cheetahs in KwaZulu-Natal, and frankly for most of South Africa, only a tiny bit along the border of Namibia, so you really can't see cheetahs in South Africa. So I'm going to a rehabilitation center, so I don't fully know what to expect. It's going to be really interesting to learn about the work that they do and hear about how then they send them off and release them back into the wild. The cost is 450 Rand per person, and they have 2 sessions per day, one in the morning time and one in the afternoon time. Just to give you a little bit of background information, Zululand Cat Conservation Center is at Mdoneni Lodge. It is right outside Hluhluwe, a game reserve, one of the most famous game parks, not just in South Africa, but on the entire continent. So this is a non-profit organization. They have certain cats that are there for breeding purposes, and then all of those offspring, they go and they release them to the wild. So they have 4 different types. The main things are the cheetahs. Everyone is there for the cheetahs. I will tell you about them last, so make sure you stay tuned. But they have the African wildcat, which is just picture like a regular cat that you would find as a house cat, but this here, its instincts are a little bit different, so even though it looks like that, it really is a cat that should be in the wild. There is the Caracal, there is the Serval, and then there is the cheetah. At the time of this video, they have released 9 African wildcats, 15 Caracals, 25 servals, and 4 cheetahs. That number might be up to 5 now in the wild. So it was incredible because these are dangerous cats, but they were able to bring us up close very, very safely. You are going to see some videos of the Caracals jumping for their food, which is crazy.
Yes, we now boy 1, 2, 3, press.
You didn't press.
Okay, I want to talk about the cheetahs. The fastest animals in the world can go up to 120 kilometers per hour, 75 miles per hour, which is unbelievable. So there are multiple cheetahs there. I was with 2 of them. I was about 8 feet from them, that close, which was crazy. And here they are such beautiful, beautiful creatures when they're up close. Fun fact, cheetahs were actually banned from KwaZulu-Natal province in the early 1900s because of how they were getting all of the crops, and they were just causing disruption to the farmlands. So yeah, pretty much wiped out the cheetahs, and now Zululand Cat Conservation is hoping to rightfully bring them back. So it's a great project, and I was the only one there who was not with Gate 1 Travel. So famous tour companies go and bring their customers here. It's a non-profit. If you have the money to donate, also, please do so. I love what they're doing. But yeah, that's really it.